In a shocking turn of events that even involved him puking his guts out, here's why fans are already worried about the Cleveland Browns' fifth overall pick, Mason Graham. Meet Mason Graham, the Cleveland Browns' fifth overall pick in the 2025 NFL Draft, who is supposed to be the future of their defense. But after his rookie minicamp debut, fans are already losing faith in his abilities. Now, Graham looked uncoordinated and reportedly out of shape, struggling with basic drills and even vomiting on the field during 11-on-11s. Not exactly the rookie impression you'd expect from a first-round pick. Fans are already questioning the pick, with many calling it a classic Browns misfire. And others are urging patience, reminding us it's only minicamp. Still, with expectations high and a lot of eyes on him, Graham's got to prove he can shake off this rough start and show why he was picked so high.